Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and my fellow biodiversity crusaders, greetings from the Isles of Fiji, where our pristine beaches show off their endless expanse, soaked in nothing but warm sunny breezes. I have always believed that when nature bestows such rare beauty on us, it also expects something in return, and thus I'm so thankful for my role as the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Environment that I'm afforded with this exceptional blessing to strategically manage and protect the biodiversity that contributes to this beauty marvel. My motivation, of course, to turn up to work every day comes from the fact that whatever I do, be it strategizing, planning, or designing a nature-based solution to a coastal community, or adding a strategic location to our Fijian iguana protection program, or for that matter, even lead planning for the commercialization of our marine protected area, or building and nurturing relationships with our communities, or speaking at an event, I know it will impact our biodiversity. It adds, like how we say, tiny drops of water make a mighty ocean. My contribution to our biodiversity will ultimately matter because it impacts our health, our livelihoods, and our general well-being now, and of course, the prosperity of our future generations. My higher purpose this year is that I pledge my action to restore our ecosystems and reverse the biodiversity losses we have suffered. May God bless my efforts, and may God bless Fiji's biodiversity and flourish it.